Hello everyone and welcome back to Mocha Dishes. Today we are going to be making my signature breakfast bites. I'm going to be making 12 breakfast bites. Here are a few of the ingredients I'm going to use. You're going to grab 16 eggs and put them into a bowl. You could add whatever spices you like. I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of Maggi seasoning, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Now I grab 3 assorted bell peppers and a few handfuls of cut spinach. Now I'm adding some mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Add as much cheese as you'd like. Now I'm putting them into cupcake cups. Now for the second batch, I'm grabbing 16 eggs and adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper and a pinch of salt. Now I'm putting my mixture into the cupcake cups. Now I'm adding my cheese on top. Now I'm putting my breakfast bites into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And here is the final product. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to make a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Bye!